Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes, and let me show you the first one, which is probably the most known, and it is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is the most interesting one, I believe. And it is the testing mode, so it is *0*. And as you can see, as I said, we are in the testing mode. So here we can check some components of this device. So for example, the screen, if it is working properly, the vibration, the whole IC, the sub-key sensor, and so on and so on. So let me show you how it works, for example, with the screen. So we can tap on red, and trust me, I know that on the camera probably it will look like orangish color, but trust me, it's bright red. So it is displayed like that because you will be able to find any missing spots, for example white spots, and if you can see that, it means that something is wrong with your device and the screen on it. The same situation with the green and the blue one. For example, we've got also the touch option, so here we have to draw the lines all across those squares and rectangles, and if you can see the green color after drawing the line, it means that the edges are working perfectly fine. The same situation with all across the screen. If you will draw the line and you cannot see the green color, it means that something's wrong with this part of the screen. As you can see, I'm missing. Alright, so I highly recommend to stay here before you will go to another one and have fun simply, and check the components of your device at the same time. So let me show you another code which will open the battery status, and it is *02228#. And as I said, we are in the battery status, so here we can, for example, check the current value, the level block, or average value. Let's get back, and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings, and it is *0808#. And as I said, we are in the USB settings, so here we've got two different modes of USB which we can pick. So let's get back, and let me open the firmware version. It is *1234#, so it is probably the easiest code. And as you can see, we are in the version, so here we can check the APCP or the model of this device. Let's get back, and let's open another firmware version option. It is *2663#. Oh my god, £3. And as I said, we are in the firmware version, so here we've got, for example, some info about the Wi-Fi version or the Bluetooth version. And let me show you another code which will open the service mode, and it is *0011#. And as I said, we are in the service mode. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.